So most people think that Pinterest is just for recipes or for wedding ideas, but it is actually one of the best free platforms to make money online, even if you have 0 followers. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how people are making money currently on Pinterest, the method that actually work, not just listing out a bunch of methods that people browse online. I'm going to show you the methods that actually work and how you can actually start yours step by step as a beginner. No fluff, just the strategies that actually work. So how does Pinterest actually work? Pinterest is not just a social media platform. It is a search engine like Google. So what this actually means is that your post does not die in 24 hours. Your pins can bring you traffic for months or even years. And you don't need any followers to get views. Now I've seen new brand accounts getting traffic in their first week just by using the right strategy. So you must be asking yourself, how does people actually make money on this Pinterest? The first method of making money on this Pinterest is by affiliate marketing. It is actually one of the most beginner-friendly way of making money on Pinterest, whereby you promote someone else's product using an affiliate link, and when someone buys, you are going to earn a commission from the product that you promoted. Examples of this product that you can actually promote using the affiliate marketing method is Amazon affiliate products, digital products like courses or templates, printables, planners, and softwares. These are the items that you can actually sell using the affiliate marketing method in order to earn money on Pinterest. Now, how does this actually work? You create a pin, you link it to a blog post or a landing page. Now, let's say you have a YouTube channel, you can add it to your YouTube channel description. Now, when people click on it, it is actually going to direct them to that product and they're going to be able to buy the product. Now, once they buy that product, you're going to earn a commission from the products that they bought using the link that you've actually shared. So that is how you can earn on affiliate marketing. So if you decide to go for this method, there's something you need to note. You need to know that Pinterest does not like traffic spamming link. So always send traffic to a page that provides value first. You get? So the second method is by selling your own digital product, not someone else's digital product, your own digital product this time. Now this is where the real money is. You can sell your own products. Examples of these products I'm talking about is ebooks, Pinterest templates, your Canva design, your planner or journals, and even your Notion templates. Now this is the best part. You create it once and sell it over and over again. Pinterest is actually best for this because people are already searching for solutions. So if you can create an ebook online, you just need to create it once and people are going to continue buying it year after year, and you keep on making money from it just by you creating it once. So this is actually the best part of earning money on Pinterest. You can also earn money on Pinterest through this third method, which is known as blogging plus ads. Now Pinterest is a traffic machine for blogs. So you just need to write a blog post, pin them, and you are going to earn money. You can earn money through this method by display ads, affiliate links, sponsorship. Now this might actually take longer, but it is actually one of the most stable long-term strategies of making money on Pinterest. So let me simply break down how you can actually start this. Mentioning a lot of ways to make money and you not even knowing how to create an account and start making money would be a waste of time on this video. So looking right here on the screen is my device. So in order for you to start, you need to create a business account. Now in order for you to create a business account, this is what you need to do. Go to your Pinterest app like this. So here I'm going to add another account. I'm going to go ahead and click on add another account. Now if you click on that, looking here, you're going to see the option of create free business accounts. So you can also see the option of create a new personal account. So in order for you to start earning on Pinterest, you need a business account. So we need to go ahead and click on create in order to create a business account. Then go ahead and click on create business account. You can see the option of create account. So here you need to go ahead and input your email. After inputting your email, go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and input a strong password. So after inputting a strong password, go ahead and click on next. Here you need to input your full name. After inputting your full name, go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and input your date of birth. After inputting your date of birth, click on OK like this and click on next at the bottom of the screen. So you need to go ahead and add a name, the name you want to be appeared as your profile name on Pinterest. So here I'm going to say, going to add my name like this and click on next. So right here it says, have you got a website? Add a website address and it is going to appear on your profile. So if you have a website, you need to go ahead and add it here and click on next like this. Now it says here, describe your business. you need to categorize the type of business you want to start. You can see the option of blogger, you can see the option of consumer or goods, you can see product or service, you can see contractor or service provider, depending on the one you want to actually go into. Now, if you want to be posting more of blogging items, or maybe you want to be posting more of customers or goods, then you need to go ahead and select it. So let's say you want to be posting more of publisher or media, you can go for that. So here I'm going to select publisher or media like this and click on next. Now looking at it, says, would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Now looking here, you can see different options. Yes, I'm interested in advertising. No, I'm not planning on advertising. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on yes, I'm interested in advertising, and click on next like this. So once you do this, you've been able to create a Pinterest business account. So let's say you click on your profile like this, you're going to see the home page of your profile. Now looking here, you can go ahead and add more details to your profile. You can see where it says change profile picture. You can add a profile picture here. And looking here, you can see where it says Creator Hub. If you click on that, that is where you're going to be able to be seeing your analytics, your engagements, the earnings on your dashboard, the numbers of followers you have, the impression, the total audience you have in the last 30 days, the total audience that engage with your content and posts in the last 30 days. This is where you're going to be seeing all that here. So looking here, you can see the option of create pins. Now I've been saying create pins, create pins. This is where you can actually create the pins. Looking here, you can see create pins. So if you click on that like this, you're going to see allow all. Now once you click on that, you'd be able to select the picture or video that you want to actually create as your pin. Click on next like this, and you'd be able to add a title, a description, and also a link to it. So looking here, you can see where it says tag product. You can also add tags to it and schedule it or publish it right away by clicking on create at the bottom of the screen, and it's going to be published. So this is what you need to know about creating an account on Pinterest and having a business account that allows you to earn on Pinterest. Meanwhile, the previous way I mentioned on how you can actually earn money on Pinterest, you can go ahead and try out those methods. They are actually realistic methods on how to earn money on Pinterest. So one of the reasons why people might actually just give Pinterest a try and stop and say that Pinterest is not actually paying, it's because they're actually expecting Pinterest to pay them an instant money. Pinterest is not like that. So you might not actually earn money on Pinterest if you quit too easy. And also if you're not using the right keywords on your post. And also if you are linking your post to a low quality page. And also if you are not consistent in posting. So when I say consistency, I don't mean you should be posting 20 videos in one day. You can post 1 or 2 or 3 videos in 1 week. That is okay. And also you should not try to do everything at once. Focus on one niche, master it, and do it consistently for 3 months, and you're going to start seeing results. So this is how simple it is to earn money on Pinterest. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.